What is good, my good people? How you guys doing? Welcome back to another vlog. Guys, one of my boys called Allan invited me to his restaurant to have some wings. And we're here. How you doing?
Hey bro, how you doing, bro?
You're well?
Amazing.
Thanks for having me.
Man, thanks for pulling up.
What are we having today?
Today, it's a surprise. You better come in to find out.
Meet Chef Allan, young, enthusiastic, and one hell of a good cook. He's the owner and the head chef here at Moboneng, Kenya. Moboneng offers some of the best chicken wings you can get in Kenya. Today, Chef Allan invited me and some of my friends to come taste some of his goods.
Allan, man, your menu is super crazy, man.
Thank you.
So what do you recommend we actually have today?
So today I want to do for you guys the garlic parmesan wings, and then the other two ones I want to do for you guys are booze infused wings. So I'm gonna do for you guys a whiskey coke, and we're gonna try the gin honey lime wings as well. And then for the sides, because we only just deal with sweet potato fries, so I'm gonna do the saute and the cheesy bacon.
So you see how sweet potato chips?
Yeah, that's it. So
very interesting, I haven't seen that around.
yeah, nobody is doing that around, so just try to stand out from the rest here.
Cool.
Yeah, we go.
So I think, guys, me, I'm pretty hungry.
Yeah,
Let's get it, man.
let's do it.
Alright.
Cheers.
Those are legit. Those are really good. So guys, I've just finished here with Allan. Thank you so much for having us. God bless you.
Much appreciated.
One of the best wings I've ever had.
What was your
Ever
favorite?
tried.
What was the favorite?
My favorite was the Parmesan wings.
Garlic parmesan.
Yeah.
You had you guys garlic parmesan.
Those are the best, guys. If you pull up here, make
pull
sure to try the garlic parmesan. Also, Allan, where can people find you? Where are you located? What are your...
So we are located on Carrick Road, one stop arcade, just opposite the Vice President Residency. And you can find us on Instagram at Moboneng That's called KE. So also I do deliveries on Glovo, Uber Eats, and Jumia. So yeah, you guys have a look. Yeah.
So guys, make sure you check them out. I'll leave all their details in the description. And if you enjoyed this video, make sure you give it a big like, subscribe, and until next time, it's your boy all day. Brrr.